So I am at the golf course right now, and this is my view as of the moment. It's still so dark. Taking on another tournament. So today I am at Pradera Golf Course in Pampanga. Today's goal was originally to break 90. Alright, got it on in. But will this be the day that I finally break 80?
What a debut, man!
Thanks. Yun na.
Car.
Nasave pa. Or will the nerves get to me and make me crumble?
Roll, ball, roll! Ah! Uy, shit, behind. Behind? Sama nung sino yun. Shit, double. Uy! Ano ba yun? Wow, double.
Am I just dreaming? Or is this gonna be my lowest round ever? Let's find out.
Go in! Go in! Ganda yung basa, maganda. Thank you again to 3 Strokes for making this video possible. So, there are 2 goals today. One is break 90, because this is only the second time that I played this course. And 2 is win something in the tournament. Win a trophy or whatever, fun hole prize. And 3, win a raffle. Win a raffle prize. See you when my flight mates are here. And when we tee off. Alright, peace. Okay. Alright, hole number 1. Sumamba lang sir, parang bunker nga ata eh. Ah, hindi, okay. Thank you. Alright, good luck. Okay, ayos. Buta nila, maganda yung drive. So ilang yards to? 355? Okay. Ay, nasa rough ako. Yikes. Ilang yards? 190 pa? Sige, 5 wood. Yung hybrid na lang. Kapal eh. Alright. Second shot. 190. Go! Thank you. Bunker. Muntik nang matapbol eh. Okay. Sit. Okay. Thanks. I hit mine close. Ano to? Kanan, no? Oh, they're fast?
Yeah. Different from the button.
Lag lang natin, lag. They are fast.
Yeah, they're really fast. That's good.
Thanks. Bogey, no?
Yes, sir.
Alright, just made bogey on the first, which is okay. Alright, hole 2, 167 yards. I'm 1 over. Okay, sit. Okay. Sit down. Okay. Thank you. Oh, I win the cap.
You get the cup.
All right. Still 1 over through 2. All right. Third hole.
Longest ako, nasa hole 1 ako eh.
Uy, shit, behind. Bigla ako nag-alangan pagdating sa taas eh. Bale, okay lang. Par 5 naman eh, no? Okay. Sama nung swing na yun ah.
Kaya nga, sir.
Naalangan ako eh.
Yung tulog pa lang eh, sir.
Behind eh. Nauna yung lupa eh. Layo pa to eh, no? Saan ang aim ko?
Ay, ito, sir. Yung bunker dito, sir.
Bunker?
Kaliwa.
Oo.
Kanan mo.
Kanan. Kanan nun.
Ay, yung nakapula, sir.
Ah, okay, sige. 1 over. 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 1 Okay. Just hit through the ball. Uy! Nakabig ko. Nahulog? Safe? Nakabig ko. Okay, third shot. Gonna aim at the tree. Aim at the tree. Hopefully it goes where I'm aimed. Parang short. Bunker.
Nag-bounce, sir.
Bad trip. I almost got onto green, but it was a low flight shot. Okay, hindi naman pala kinabahan ako eh. Kaliwa, no? Roll, ball, roll! Ah! Ayaw! Putting for par na, no?
Same 5.
Shit! Alright, so I'm putting for par. I got that out pretty decently. Pababa, no? Mabilis. Sobrang bilis ba? Oo, sige. Okay. Oh! Na-save pa. Thank you, thank you.
Dito lang.
Pinagbigyan tayo. Alright, still 1 over through 3. On to hole 4. Okay. Hole 4. Par 4. Isang magandang drive lang. Okay. Naka-fairway din sa wakas. Okay. Alright. Sana maka-birdie tayo. 9 iron na lang. Okay. 120 sa kanan ng pin. Okay. Parang over yata yun ah. Nag-draw lang. Pero gusto ko yung divot ko eh. Ay! Doon pala ako naka-aim. Kulang ako sa kanan. Pero okay lang. Alright. Got it on into... Pababa na naman. Ay, nako. Di nga. Nawala. So malayo yung putt. Mahirap yung putt ko. Hindi ko na makita eh.
Sa pababae na, sir.
Ala, mahirap yun. Shit. Shit.
Yeah, it's double, right? Sa una kaliwa, sa huli kanan.
Sa baba.
Sa baba kanan.
Sa baba, right to left, no?
Yeah.
Ano, Liberty? Ano tayo?
Statue of
Okay yung pangalan niya eh. Liberty, anong nickname nun? Libert. Berto. Grabe. Ganda-ganda ng pangalan mo tapos ganun yung nickname mo. Parang regular lang siguro, no?
Yes, sir.
Paabutin ko lang doon kasi pababa na siya eh. Oh no! Saka nalakasan ko. Ay nako, sama nun. Uphill, no?
Pinag-iisip tayo nitong din na ito.
Oo nga eh. Yeah. Ah, thanks. Bogey. Shit. Oo. Sama nung first putt ko eh. Alright. 2 over na, no?
Yes.
2 over. Pang ilang hole na natin to? Pang 4. Ay, nako. Alright, hole 5. Hole in 1 hole. Hole number 5. 5 iron. 174 yards. Maybe I'll try to, I don't know. Want to try to draw, but I don't know. Behind? Short yan? Uy! Behind eh. Tayo, Bert.
Harta.
Anong nabasa mo dito? Right to left niya? Sige nga, subukan ko nga yung linya mo. Kanina pa mali yung basa ko eh. Ano? Okay ka dyan? Ganyan kalaki?
Okay, sir.
Sige. Parang malaki ah. Pero sige. Go in! Go in! Ayaw!
Galing, gawin no?
Oo nga eh. Maganda yung basa. Maganda. Sayang. Konti na lang. Birdie na. Alright. Time still 2 over through 5 I think. This is our 6th hole. Congrats to Manuel. Right over here. For winning the cap. Right edge ng bunker.
Diretso lang, sir.
Ha?
Between to the bunker.
Okay. Nagka-cut yung akin eh. Medyo left na lang ako ng onte. Oh no! Bunker ata yun. Before? Okay lang. Ang sama nung feel ko dun. Hindi ba ako papasok sa mga bunker na yun?
Ay, ito yung bunker eh.
Wala nang bunker dun. Right nung pin.
Over ng green, may bunker.
Over ng green. May bunker. Okay. Alright. Isang maganda lang, please. Isang maganda lang. Second shot. Hirap naman ng lie. Thank you. Sit. Okay. Oh, okay lang. Nakabig ko na naman. Chip na lang yun eh. Pitch na lang eh, no? Okay. So I have a 65-yard shot for my third. I'm gonna use a 56. Maybe hit it like 50 yards. And let it roll. Hopefully. Uy, behind eh. Sama nun. Shit. Parang hindi ako confident dun sa shot na yun. Playing birdie pa rin naman yun eh, di ba? Kaya ko pa i-par to. My caddy's name is Liberty. What a nice name. I hit such a bad shot there. I choked. Oh my God. Ale, chip in to, chip in. Bad trip. Na-behind ako 2 beses. Kaliwa. Malaki? Hindi. Chip in tayo, chip in. Ah! Crap. For bogey na yun. Medyo mabilis, no? Tapos kanan. Nakakainis yung chip ko. Bale. Save bogey natin. Save bogey. Ikaw na maglinya. Come on, save. Shit, double. Double. Ano na ako? Plus 4. Bilis ah. Ang sama nung ano ko. Sama nung chip ko. Grabe. 2 beses. Sobra kaysa short? Tingin mo? O mas okay ang short?
Mas okay yung sobra.
Ah, sige. Easy hybrid tayo. Easy hybrid. Okay. Kumaanan. Saka behind eh. Oh, nakita mo? Nasaan? Sobra? Sobra? Sabi ko is, ay, gitna ako nakuha o na-open ko lang. Okay pala yung kuha ko. Akala ko behind ako. Talaga?
Ganda lang po, mukhanin lang.
Oo nga, na-open ko. Masyado ko kasing inisip na easy lang, tapos sobra pa pala. Pangit yung pwesto ko doon.
Hindi yun naman, sir.
Kayang chip-chip lang.
Pwede.
Okay. Okay, I'm chipping for bird. Let's chip it in.
Shot.
Oh, sit. Thank you. Lakas pala. Akala ko maganda yung kuha ko. Lakas. Shit, delikado na naman yung par ko. Dapat pala landing dito lang, no? Akala ko hindi siya ganun kabilis eh. Akala ko liliko eh. Never mind. I have that for par. Ano to? Mabilis?
I think I can park.
Halos hatid lang, no? Let's make it.
Paano? Kulay. Nice. Good one.
Thank you. Ano tayo dun? Par?
Par.
Alright. It's made par again. So I'm still 4 over through 8, I think, or through 7. Alright. Ako rin, yung 3 na lang yung aim ko. Magra-right naman to eh. Okay. Hole 8, I think. Uy, high sky ball. No. Shit. Hindi, 48 lang. May 100 lang yan eh, no? Di ko alam kung saan mas maganda, sa left o sa right. So, kaso walang fairway dun sa kanan, ay sa kaliwa eh. Ay, over ko na lang ng puno. Bahala na, over ko na lang.
48.
Oo, aangat yan. Tiwala lang, tiwala.
What a divot, man.
Thanks. Thanks. Kinabahan ka ba? Ako kinabahan eh. Alright. Chipping for 3. Such a bad drive. Anyway. Okay. 48. Ay, 80 yards. 80 yards. 80 yards. Ah, man. Do something.
Shot.
Thank you.
A shot.
Thank you.
Check on it.
Thanks. Okay. Ay, for par na yun eh. Alright, I have that for par. Hopefully I can make it. And that'll still get me to, what? 4 over, I think. Okay,
May price ba yung lock?
for par.
Ganun din, no? You're a weird guy.
Yeah. Pero mabagal yung putt.
If you go too fast,
Yeah.
you go too slow, get that.
Bogey. Oo nga eh. Pero natakot akong lakasan eh. Nung pag backswing ko. Oo nga, sana finirm ko na, no?
Yes.
Yun na sana yun. 5 over na ako tuloy. Hindi ko alam kung
Ano ba yan, sir?
5 iron.
Ilan ba yan?
5 kaya mo yan.
Hopefully.
Go, sir! Go, sir! Pag na-on the green na, bibigyan mo kami sombrero.
Itutubig ko na lang.
Hindi pala, pag natubig na, bibigyan mo kami sombrero. Strokes gang! All in one!
Pag natubig ko.
Pag na-all in one yan, kumpanya na.
Shit, behind.
Ayan na, may sombrero tayo.
Bunker.
Sombrero! Ano? Natubig eh.
You have another shot.
I have a mulligan. O, sige, muli tayo.
Molly?
Yun na. Okay. Thank you. I used the mully. And now I'm putting for bird. My first one was in the water. Well, you guys know because You saw it in the edit. Berts. Parang tingin ko dito eh.
Saan, sir?
2 cups. Oh, ito. Tama. Sige, linyahan mo ng solid.
Sama din.
No? Ano yung speed nito? Hindi ko alam. Regular lang.
Yes.
Paabutin ko na lang. Bahala na. Swabe lang. Swabe pat.
A bit righty.
Go, ball, go!
I'd give that to you, but someone's watching.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Thank you. Okay, alright. Okay sa alright. Okay, I'm 5 over through 9. Let's go for the second time. See you there. Cart. Yun? Saan ba yung butas? Right. Ang layo pa pala. Okay. Alright, hold number 10. Yung cart. Di ba ako mababunker nun?
O kaya yun, ano, antena.
Ah, yun na lang. Mas gusto ko yun. Oh, sakto. Sakto. Alright. Oh, ganun talaga yung mga drives ko. Asan niya akin?
Ay,
Hindi. Ay. Oh. Kanino yun? Kanino itong mga to?
kayan, sir.
Okay. So, ano yung drive ko doon? 238 to 40. Pwede na, pwede na. Ano na nga pala yung pinalo ko? Yan nga ba? This, Rixon yan eh. Ito ako. Alright. 140. Oy! Na-open ko. Uy, over.
Go,
Plastic yata.
All right. I flew the green, and it went right on me as well. I don't know why. I opened the club. Oh shit! Oh, there it is. There it is. I think it's lies a bit funky, but I think I can make it. Maybe. Oh I think I can make it. Kanan. Konti lang.
Wait lang, check ko muna.
Okay.
Parang may... Kanan yan, sir, ah.
Kanan niya, no?
Mga one grip.
Dead arm it, and then just go. Go, 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 go! Ah! Ayaw. Crap. Ayaw. Bad trip. Pagkapalo ko pa lang, alam ko na eh. Bale. For ano to? Par? Nako. Teka, doon na naman ako sa par ah. Delix. Why can't I just, put it on the green and make a bird? So freaking hard. Golf is so freaking hard.
Double na naman.
Kanan. Kanan ng onte. Downhill ng onte, no? Uphill ba? Mali lagi ba?
Downhill, sir.
Nililipto mo ako, birds ah. Oh! Kulang. Bogey. Kulang. Shit. I'm 6 over. Okay. 6 over na tayo. My goodness. Ayaw mag-par. Yung cart. Ah, okay. Sige. Sige, sige, sige. Uy! Ha? Walang cut! Walang cut!
Safe. Okay, good shot.
Walang cut! Okay, patong na natin to. Dikit na natin. 70 yards. Just don't get too excited. Hit it well. And it will go in. Shit! Ano ba yun? Bakit? Nanggigil ako. Nanggigil ako. Ayaw talaga mag-bird ah. I need to chip it close so I can at least still make par. Because that's for bird. Alright, so I have this shot for birdie. It's kind of a hard shot actually. Hard to trust. Sit, bite, bite. Oh man. Di ko magat. Okay. Long putt for par. That was supposed to be an easy bird. Pababa no? Bilis.
Yes, sir.
Halos tapik lang. Hatid lang.
Hindi naman. Regular lang, sir.
Regular? Oh, sige. Regular, sure ah. Uy! Sabi ko na, iniisip ko na mag-pin out eh. Bogey, bogey. Oh, sakit yun, masakit yun. Bogey, 7 over na tayo. Sayang, ganda ng roll eh.
Ganda, sir. Pasok yan. Kung wala
Pasok yun, oo nga. Iniisip ko na eh.
ganun pa na yung pin, sir.
Oo nga eh. Oo, kaya iniisip ko eh. Dapat pala nag-pin out tayo. Mag-aim na lang ako sa left ng flag na yun. Right.
Ay, go, Chris.
Yo, pwede. That's right on the flag.
I hope so. Go, 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 go! Ay! Feeling ko hindi wala yun. Uy, tumusok ko. Okay. Par 5 to, no? Okay. 180 yards, I think. Uy! Rough! Thank you. Gitna eh. Bakit ganun? Parang hina. Ganda ng kuha ko eh. Nasa rough ako, no?
Ay, fairway na to, sir.
Fairway ba? Bale, okay lang. Patong na natin yun. Para maka-bird na tayo. Bird. Ilang yards? 130. Okay, sige. 130 yards. Uy! Sit! Down! Uy! Kailangan pala, go! Munti ko na ma-shank. Tignan mo dito. Ang pangit. What the hell? So, as you saw, I almost shanked the ball. I heeled it like on the nozzle. Between the nozzle and the heel of the club. Isa ko siguro dito na, no? Okay. Kaliwa, no? Kaliwa.
Halos konti lang
Yung dun sa
siya.
sinabi natin, yun ang landing. May putik sa bola ko. Ay, bumali sa kaliwa. Sayang. Par, ayaw talaga mag-birdie, nakakainis. Yung mga approach ko eh. Sama ng mga approach ko. Anong hole na natin?
Ano pa, may pitong butas pa tayo.
Ah, pito pa? Talaga? Ano na ako? 7 over pa rin, no?
7.
Okay.
Sasa.
Alright. I don't know what hole we are on. But Seven more holes. And whatever hole this is a par 4. I'm gonna aim at the pole. Oh no! Sit! Okay. Uy! Okay. Thank you. Alright. On to the fairway. Fairway ba tayo, rough? Nasa rough eh, no? Crap. Okay. 115 yards. I'm gonna use a pitching wedge. I need to hit this one really, really good. Oh! Nakabig ko. Bunker. Doon ba ako naka-aim? Shit. Ah. Sayang. Patong na sana yun. Pero parang sobra. Kaso kung 48, masya-short naman. Bale, kaya natin yun. Wag lang mabobo sa bunker. Kaya pa i-par yun. Mahirap pala to. Mahirap pala yan. Alright, this is a tough bunker shot. Maybe I'll just aim here. Just so I can get on the green. Mahirap yan. Mag-aim na lang ako sa camera ko. O sobra yun. Kaso ang hirap kasi. Ang hirap kasi. Bala na. Wag lang mag-triple.
Oh, nice out.
Thanks. Alright. That made me nervous. Alright, now I have that putt for par. Regular lang.
Mabilis yan, sir. Regular mo lang, sir.
Mabilis nga. Shit. Kaliwa pa to, no? Uy! Ano ba yun? Grabe.
That's good, that's good.
Thanks. Ano nangyari sa putting ko? Wow! Double. Ano nangyari dun? Teka nga.
Nakasampat mo. Inside, sir. Lagay mo.
Ganun lang pala. Anong nangyari? Akala ko kasing bagal eh. Ah!
Oh, I gotta go. You see it just the wind just stopped. There's like a wall there.
Oo nga eh. Ay, wow. Alright. 8 over. That was such a bad double. Eesh. Such a bad double on the last hole. Putting, man. Alright, I'm 8 over. I'm gonna need to lock in. Landing ko dito. Mabilis to. Kaya nga eh. So dito na lang. Mabilis ba? Okay. Against the grass. Sit. Napasobra. Okay lang.
Ay, tinatay ko, sir.
Okay lang. Napasobra yung ano ko. Anong speed? Kasi baka mamaya ano na naman ako. Regular. Hindi yan kasing bilis ng kanina. Alright. For the 3 strokes. Bakit nalalakasan ko na yung mga putts ko?
Bibilis.
Oo nga eh. Oh man. Double na naman. Anong nangyari? Ano bang nangyari? Yung putting ko nasira. Sabi ko na yung putting yung sisira sa akin eh. May par 3 pa ba? Wala na. Ay, dahil pala nagmuli na ako kanina dun eh. Saan ang, in between yung towers. Okay, okay. Oh no! Safe yun, oh. Okay. Sumobra yung cut. Sumobra yung cut. Wood go. 5 iron. Okay. 170, di ba? Sabi mo?
190, sir.
190. Yung hybrid na lang. 4 hybrid. Par 5 naman, so 3 shot hole. So pagdating ko doon, may mga 100 yards pa ako. Okay. Okay. 190. Dun sa tower na yun. Against, no?
Against, ha?
Gitnang-gitna ako tinatamaan eh.
Wala pa kayo mga
120. 130. Okay lang. Okay lang ako sa 130. Mas gusto ko pa nga yung ganun eh. Okay, 145. 8 iron. Just gonna aim at the pin maybe. Uy! Mana? Bunker? Hindi. Bakit? Nangyari dun? Ayaw talaga, ayaw ko pagbigyan ah. Okay ba yun dun? Walang bunker dun, walang kahit ano?
Sir, okay siya, sir. Kung hindi na tubig.
Ayun lang, may tubig pala.
Di ba sa kanan may tubig tayo, sir?
Pwede ba ako magmuligan na... Hindi eh.
Pwede naman, sir. Mamaya balik tayo dyan. Pag nag-ano
Sige.
tayo, tubig.
Sige.
Magmamaligan tayo. Ayan na may tanda mo, sir.
Okay. Why can't I hit my shots anymore? And the putts. The putts are what's killing me. Let's see if I'm safe. Saan ba? Parang wala. Oof. Looking for my ball right now. Hopefully I'm safe. Yun. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Safe, safe. Sit! Whoa! Sobra! Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Nasira na talaga. Ano ako dyan? Pating par? Tama, no? Bale, lag lang natin, lag. Ito, ilalag ko na lang talaga. Bogey's okay with me here. I'm now 82 and over. Alright. Let's see if I can get my putting back. Naku, kailangan ito. Hindi na ito lumagpas kasi pag lumagpas, mabilis, no? Alin? Yan? Okay. Tapos mabilis, no? Di ko na makuha yung speed. Pating bogey. Oh no. Double na naman. Puro double na yung score ko. So I'm at what, 12 over now with 3 more holes to go. On to the next one. On to hole 16.
Last bunker over, sir.
Eto. Alright. Sit down. Sit down. Pumasok yata.
Sabi mo kasi papasok ka. Sabi ko, wag.
Parang pumasok ah. Ano ba to? Par 4, no? Sobra na naman yung cut. Alright, I'm gonna hit a 7 iron. Talaga, saktong 7 na lang. Huwag na tayo mag 6. Over niyan, too big. Alright. Alright.
Right. Sige. Sige, right. Uy, shit. Go left, right.
Bakit mali-mali yung distance ko? 1?
Against the wind.
Kaya nga eh.
Pero kanina yung 140.
Ano? Sobra? So, muli ba ano ba yun? Nag-over ba? Okay lang. Ayoko magmuli. Baka mamaya sobrang pangit yung iba eh. So, save natin dun. Kasi kung safe naman ako dun, okay lang ako eh. For some reason, my putting just went away. My feel dun sa dumi. You know, yung parang malaking patch na yun. O malaki yun?
Sakto lang, sir. Basta doon babagsak, sir, ah.
Alam mo yung sinasabi mo? Ito? Behind eh. Pero okay lang. Alright. Paring for par na to, no? 12 over na ako. Sige, pa-pin out na lang. Thank you. Woo! Thanks. Bogey. Yikes. Yikes. 14 ba? Di ba 13? 13 lang. Alright, 13 over. Uy! Ganun din. Okay lang. Okay lang. Na-behind eh. Lumamig na yung katawan ko. 150 yards from the rough. 150 yards from the rough. Okay. Birdie na natin yon. Birdie na natin yon, please. Alright, I have a chance at bird here. It's a very makeable putt, I think. Pasok na natin to, Liberty. Pasok na natin to. Parang diretso lang tingin ko eh. May kaliwa ng konti. Tapos anong speed mo? Halos hatid lang. Parang ganun lang. Woohoo! Ayaw. Thank you. Ayaw.
Diretso.
Oo, diretso pala.
Double break siya.
Sayang. Yun na sana yun. Mali pala tayo parehas. Diretso pala. Over the bunkers. Last hole. Okay. Thank you. Okay, last chance to make a bird. Last chance. 6 iron. Hindi ko alam. Sa kaliwa. Oo nga eh. Sa edge ng bunker. Yeah. Uy, short. 14. 14? Pangit ng kuha ko. Ang pangit ng kuha ko dun. Dito tumama. Kaya short eh. Ay, nako. Pero okay lang. Kaso wala nang pag-asa mag-birdie yun.
Mulligan.
Ay, oo nga. Magmuli ako. Sige. Tama ka dun. I'm gonna use my last muli. Muli. Gamitin ko na yung last muli ko. Okay. Wag ko lang ulitin yung ginawa ko. Time is now. Wala talaga. Naulit, mas masama pa. Dapat ganun. Ay nako. Choke na naman ako. Talagang pinahirapan ko yung sarili ko, no? Mulligan. 2 pangit na shot. Grabe naman yun. Okay. Parang bunker yan, ah. Uy. Thank you. Kala ko short eh. Kinabahan ako. Alright guys, so no birdies this round because I now have a putt for par. I choked again. I choked on that 6-iron shot. And I don't want to say it, but I might choke this one again, my putt. So this putt is to get me to what? 13 over? I think. Yeah, 13 over. So, yeah. Hope we make it. Anong basa mo? Labas? Konti? Ha? Sambola. Okay ka na dyan sa linya mo? Hatid lang, no? Ay, teka. Kanina pa ako na loloko dyan. Haha, nice. Nice one, nice one. Good game, guys. Good game, good game. Good game. Good game, sir. Good game. Nice playing with you guys.
So at the beginning of this video, I said I had 3 goals. I accomplished number 1, which was to break 90. I failed number 2 though. I didn't win any awards or trophies in the tournament. My putting killed me. I did, however, accomplish number 3 as well. I won the grand prize, which is this 55-inch TV behind me. So originally I wanted to use it here at home, but then I thought we don't really need another TV in this house. So if you're in the Philippines and looking to buy a brand new TV, hit me up. My contact is in the description below. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Peace.